Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Tech Tutoring with Lisa. Welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. This one's all about using Google's voice typing tool. It's super cool. I love using it with a lot of my students, and I actually use it for myself quite a bit to save time whenever I can, to take a lot of notes or to just get my thoughts out fast. I love using voice typing, whether it's on Google or really on my phone. I do it a lot too, but this is how we're going to do it in Google Docs. So you can see I have it here in writing, but we're going to go to Tools at the top, and all you need to do is click on Voice Typing, and this little box appears. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. I wrote it out here for you, Control-Shift-S, and I'll just show you how it works. I'm going to do it on my keyboard, Control-Shift-S. And it's actually starting to work already, exclamation mark. So as you can see, I just demonstrated how it worked a little bit. It came turned on already when I used the shortcut. It did not when I just used the tools. So you can see it when it's red, it means it's on, and when it's black, it's off. So all you really need to do is click it to turn it on, and now the microphone should be recording what I am saying, period. And I just click to turn it off. You might have noticed I already started using some voice commands here. I have on my list, we're going to use voice commands. So you could do your punctuation, like comma, period, exclamation mark, question mark, whatever, using your voice. And you can even do more, like add new lines or new paragraphs. I'll show you. Or backspace or delete. New paragraph. If you notice, it started writing out new pair, and then it's kind of recognized what it said, what I said, and then it actually recognized the command and did it. It's very cool. So there's a whole slew of voice commands that you could use, and there's so much you could do with this. So like I said, like I have up top here, you can check your mistakes as well. So I'm seeing if there's any mistakes here. No mistakes so far, so I am going to try again. And this sometimes happens when you cannot hear what they're saying, period. So if you notice here, there are black lines underneath some of these words. There are also black lines up here, but that was correct already, so I didn't bother clicking on them. So what this means is that Google did not hear you. And there could be some other options of what it thinks it heard. So all you need to do is take your mouse and right click. Oh, it's giving me the Google Docs one there. So right click, and it says, did you mean? There. And so it gives you other options. And all you need to do is click on them, and it'll switch to what you actually meant. So it's really cool. So that's how you can see if Google will provide you with any alternative suggestions to what it thinks it heard. Okay, two more quick tricks for you here. I'm going to show you how you could change your language in the voice typing, and also how you can move the voice typing box. It's in the same place. So to change your language, you're just going to click anywhere on this line here where you can see I have English Canada, and there's a drop-down menu. So all you need to do is click and select the language that you want, and then you can speak in that language, and it would give you the correct spelling for that language. Of course, you could see the differences between the English languages here. And the next tip here is just you can move the voice typing box. You could click on these three dots and drag, and you can put it anywhere on this lower half of the Google Docs screen. So I love using this voice typing feature. I find it amazing. It's a huge time saver for me. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. TechTutoringWithLisa@gmail.com, or send me a message wherever you're seeing this. Hope this helps. Bye.